even with naked eyes, they are not straight.
Yeah, tunaona hata hii. Ona hii vile inaenda. We see Afraha Stadium as being a key part of our plans to spread sports facilities across the country and also make sure that different parts of the country have the capacity to host events, including international events. And that is why we are here to check on the progress of Afraha. We believe that upon completion, Afraha will definitely add value, add immense value to our country's ability to host events, including regional and international events. And so we will continue to work with the county government of Nakuru to ensure that we finish this facility and put it in a place where it can support the development of talents, not just for the county of Nakuru, but also for the whole country.
We want to do something to the completion which can be, which can hold not only games within Kenya or Africa, but the international games can also be held here in Afraha Stadium. And I'm sure with a few things you have given us advice on what to do. Yes, we promise that we are going to do that because we don't want things which are substandard.
Spent 8 months myself to work on the design of that stadium. 8 months behind the scenes.
You saw the design?
Yeah, okay. And by the time we did groundbreaking, we had checked it with everybody.